All right, Algebra 1 students, we want to look at Unit 2, Lesson 21. Graphing linear inequalities in two variables, Part 1. Given a two-variable inequality and the graph of the related equation, I can determine which side of the line the solutions to the inequality will fall. So in inequalities, because they're less than or greater than, what we have is we'll have our line, but then the answers could fall on either side of that line. We need to figure out which side of the line they will, because that's the side we're going to shade, as you'll see kind of what these graphs look like. I can describe the graph that represents the solutions to a linear inequality in two variables. So along with it is you should be able to kind of describe what that graph will look like, where the line is, some of the key parts of it, and then which side is shaded, the top or bottom, left or right, however the line works. All right, so our vocabulary, still working with inequality. It is a constraint with a range of possible answers. Inequality symbols, remember our four main ones: greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and then we have our fifth, not equal. Okay, inequality in two variables. So the big thing is, draw this picture. What we have is we have our coordinate plane here in black, and then we have the blue line. That blue line is like our line from an equation, but then I have it shaded above that blue line to the right and above. What's going on here is all of our possible answers could fall in that shaded area. So we shade it to say, here are our possible answers. Anything that falls in this shade is acceptable. All right, our warm-up here. Here's an expression, 2x plus 3y. Please write that down. Decide if the values in each ordered pair, x, y, make the value of the expression less than, greater than, or equal to 12. So the idea here is to take these four sets, plug them in for the x and y, and do the math. So if you take 0 and 5, you would take 0 and put it in for x, 5 and put it in for y. So you do 2 times 0 plus 3 times 5. You would get an answer. Then what they're asking is the answer you get for this one less than 12, greater than 12, or equal to 12? Do that for all four situations, and then come with that for our discussion tomorrow. Thanks.